Rev.com is a platform that offers opportunities for freelancers to earn money through transcription, captioning, and translation services. Here's a concise guide on how to earn money with Rev.com. Sign up. Start by signing up for a freelancer account on the Rev.com platform. Skill assessment. Complete the necessary skill assessment or tests to showcase your proficiency in transcription, captioning, or translation. Choose your role. Select the type of work you want to do, whether it's transcription, captioning, or translation. Each role may have different requirements. Claim jobs. Browse available jobs on the platform and claim the ones that match your skills and availability. Rev.com operates on a task-based system, allowing freelancers to choose their assignments. Complete tasks. Efficiently complete assigned tasks within the specified deadlines. Maintain accuracy and adhere to Rev.com's quality standards. Earn compensation. Receive compensation for each successfully completed task. The pay rates may vary depending on the complexity and type of work. Build reputation. Consistently provide high-quality work to build a positive reputation on the platform. Positive ratings and feedback may lead to more job opportunities. Explore additional opportunities. Rev.com occasionally offers special projects or opportunities for freelancers. Stay informed about these additional earning opportunities. Cash out earnings. Withdraw your earnings through available payment methods. Rev.com typically pays through PayPal on a weekly basis. Continuous learning. Stay updated on industry trends and continuously improve your skills. This can lead to higher paying assignments and more earning potential.